Hello everyone. Today I am hereby to give a presentation on evaluation of prefix expression with example and implementation in Python. Myself, my name is G. China Reddy, having a PIN number of 21955A2109, and my topic is evaluation of prefix expression with examples. So now let us discuss about the topic. Abstract. In this presentation, I will discuss about the evaluation of prefix expression along with some examples. Next, this method is similar as evaluating postfix expression. First of all, let us know what is meant by prefix expression. In this notation, operand is prefixed to operands, that is, operator is written ahead of operands, which means in these types of expression, the operators are written ahead of the operands, where operators means plus minus, where operands are the alphabets or numbers, and a prefix expression is a single letter or an operator followed by two prefix strings. Every prefix string longer than a single variable contains an operator, first operand and second operand. Now let us discuss about the algorithm to evaluate prefix expression. The evaluation of prefix expression requires a stock data structure in which we will push the operators in the stock and then solve the expression. In this process or during this process, we will visit each element of the expression one by one. If the current element is an operand, then we will push it to the stock. If it is the operator, we will pop two operands performing the operation. Operand, operator, operand, and then push the result back to a stock. This is the algorithm in which we will use it in the evaluation of prefix expression. Algorithm. First, initially start from the last element of the expression. Then check the current element. Number 3, if it is an operand, push it to a stock. Or if it is an operator, that is plus minus or any other mathematical calculation symbols, then pop two operands from the stock, perform the operation and push the element back to a stock. Do this till all the elements of the expressions are transversed and return the top of stock, which will be the result of the operation. Now let us consider an example to understand the evaluation of prefix expression. The expression is given, that is plus 9 into 26. Now let us first we should draw a tabular column in which it should contain three columns. One, and the name the column as first column as character scanned, number 2 as stock, number 3 as explanation. First, from the previous slide, we got the expression that is plus 9 into 26. In this, we will start from front to back. Therefore, first character is 6. The 6 enter, and the character 6 will enters into a stack because 6 is an operand. Therefore, it is pushed to the stack. And next, the other character is 2. Then it is again pushed into the stack because 2 is an operand. Therefore, we will push it into a stack. Then the elements in the stacks are 6 and 2. Now the character scanned is into. Now into, it is an operator. Therefore we will get 12 because into is an operator. Then we will pop the last two operands, because as we know that in the algorithm we came across, if the operator come, if we can get across the operator, then we should pop the two operands. Therefore into is an operator, therefore we should pop 6 and 2, then we will multiply them and push the result to a stock. Therefore by multiplying 6 into 2 we get 12, then we will push the result to a stock. Then now the stock is containing the element called 12. Now the character scanned is 9. It is an operand, therefore push it to a stock. Therefore the elements in the stock are 12, 9, and the last character is plus. As we know that if plus is an operator, if from the previous slide or from the algorithm we came across, if an operator comes across, then we should pop the two operands. Therefore plus is an operator, then we should pop 12 and 9 and add them and push the result to stock. Therefore at last we will get 21. Therefore the answer of the expression. Therefore if the examination they will give a prefix expression, example like plus 9 into 26, then we should solve it like this. Therefore at the end of the evaluation we will get the answer, then we should return as the answer is, or the result is 21. Conclusion. In prefix expression, operator is prefixed to operands, that is operator is written ahead of operands. A prefix expression is a single letter or an operator followed by two prefix strings. Every prefix strings longer than a single variable contains an operator, first operand and second operand. Thank you.